After 6.5 years of trading and trying about like 20 different strategies, here are the 3 I'm trading now. First one is called School Run Strategy. It's from Tom Hugard. I trade it a little bit differently than him, but it's looking at the first 30-minute range after open. If it breaks above, you buy. If it breaks below, you short. Stop loss is always at the opposite end of the range. And if the candle fails to close outside of the range, like this one, it broke above it, then closed inside the range, the win rate drops from 80% to 38%. If this happens, I just close the trade no matter what. Second strategy I call sweep and close. After open, I'm looking for the first candle that sweeps a 15-minute swing. After that, I'm looking for the first candle to close outside the previous candle's range. So let's say here, this swept a 15-minute range. This candle would be the first one to close outside the previous candle's range. So I would go long. If it were to close underneath it, I would go short. And stop loss would be the previous candle's low or high. And the third strategy is essentially the ICT 2022 model, but instead of waiting for one market structure shift, I wait for 2. And all 3 of these strategies I've backtested a lot. 268 trades for the ICT strategy, 226 for SRS, and 197 for the sweep and close. And the way my trading plan works is I trade in batches of 20. That way I can just focus on my plan, focus on the rules, know exactly when to enter, when to exit. And then at the end of each batch, I can decide, do I want to adjust anything or do I just want to continue?